Hi, Jay here, escobarj.com, and this video is things to do at home when you're alone. So, I'm going to go over 15 different things that you can do at home when you're alone and things to do at home when you're alone. So, let's jump right to it. Let's jump over to my screen. Okay, so I'm going to go through these kind of quick and just give a few examples of my own life of things that what I've done. But first is to read a book. Some of the books that I've read lately are The Richest Man in Babylon, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson, Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson, How to Be a 3% Man by Corey Wayne, Mastering Yourself by Corey Wayne. What else have I read? I have read The Power of Intention by Dr. Wayne, what's his last name? Dr. Wayne Dyer. And those are just some of the ones that I've read and listened to while I've been at home. The next thing you can do is play a game. A game that I love to play on occasion is chess. So I have played some chess while I've been home alone. One thing that I am a huge proponent of is meditation. And I meditate every morning as soon as I get up. That's the first thing I do is meditate. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to do the meditation. And then right after that I pray. So that's number 3 and 4 is I pray. My prayers can sometimes last 10, 15, 20 minutes sometimes after I'm done meditating because I feel so centered and I feel so in the moment and peaceful and connected with source energy. It's a great way to magnify and intensify your prayers is to meditate beforehand. The next, number 5, is to exercise. And that's what I do after my meditation and prayers. As I exercise, I do high intensity interval training. And today was leg day. It was pretty tough. The next thing is to make a nice meal for yourself. When was the last time you took the time to make yourself a nice meal? Today I made chicken and broccoli. And I put some avocado on it, and I had this really good teriyaki sauce, this low carb, low sugar teriyaki sauce, and then also the other piece of chicken that I had, I put like some marinara sauce on it. So I had two like cool different flavored pieces of chicken. You could take a bath. That's one thing that's really nice is to just relax, take a bath, listen to some calming music or whatever music you like to listen to. Or you could listen to a book while you take a bath. And obviously, like, you could obviously watch movies and Netflix, but everyone's doing that. Everybody knows that already. You can always watch TV. You can always, be on Netflix, Hulu, all those movies and TV shows. But that gets old and boring. And you can get your mind kind of stale when you're doing those things too much. So these are going to shake it up for you, really help you to break out of those mental ruts. Number 6 is, we're at number 8 now, is to go outside for a walk. I did that today, and man, I'm telling you, getting some vitamin D in your life feels fantastic. You get that vitamin D, you walk around, the nice sun hits you, it just puts you in a better mood. Number 9, develop skills that will help you. One thing that I've been developing is my internet marketing skills, my search engine optimization skills, my keyword research skills to help me with my business. So that's something that you can do as well, or develop other skills in whatever business you're in or whatever hobbies or interests you have. Number 10 is to create something. Create a work of art, create a piece of music, create a YouTube video. That's what I'm doing. Create a book. I'm in the process of making my own book as well. And you can always find some time when you're home alone and to create something and just get into your creative mind and your artistic mind and create a masterpiece. Number 11, call someone you haven't talked to in a while. I spoke with a friend yesterday that I haven't talked to in probably a good year or so. And it was nice to just catch up and just see how life is and how things are going. We talked for a couple hours, and it was nice. It was just good to catch up. It really helps to kind of move time along, so to speak. Number 12, do your taxes. Yes, it is tax season. It's till July 12th, I believe. So you can work on getting your taxes done. I've started mine, haven't finished them yet, so I need to do that as well. Number 13 is to write your goals. I have my goals right here. I've written my goals. Oh, maybe not. Here they are. I've written my goals right here. Okay, so and I review these goals every single day, and after my prayer, I do declarations with my goals and just try to attract those things into my life, because that is how you achieve goals, is to attract them to you, especially financial goals and things that can't necessarily be accomplished just overnight. Number 14 is invest your money into the stock market, or invest your money in other places that you know you can get good returns. That can take some time to learn how to invest, to know the platform you're investing in, to research what you're going to invest in. That can take lots of time. And then number 15, and this is a big one, is to do the things that you know you should do, but you don't want to do. Okay? One of those things for me is taxes. Another one of those things for me is my funnel. I have a funnel that I'm working on right now for a business that I'm working on, and man, it's just one of those things that sometimes you just dread doing something, but you know it's the right thing to do. Creating a book, creating a work of art, sometimes people want to do those things, but they feel like they don't have enough time, or they just don't. When it actually comes time to do it, when they do have time, they're just like, I don't feel like doing it right now. And that's the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people. Is successful people are willing to do the things they don't necessarily want to do in times that they feel like they don't want to do it, and they still do it anyway. So those are 15 quick things that you can do at home when you're alone, and things to keep your mind occupied besides just, you know, the typical ordering food, watching movies, watching Netflix. I mean, you can spend hours and hours and hours doing that. These are actually productive activities that will actually help you to accomplish things. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you like to make a donation, you can donate any amount of money you feel is worth the value of the information in this video or any of the videos that you've seen. You can go to my website, escobarj.com, make a donation there. Also, if you'd like personalized one-on-one coaching, if your situation, if you feel like you need some help with your situation, I'd be happy to do a one-on-one phone coaching session with you. At the very least, you can also send me an email with a few paragraphs explaining your situation. I'd be happy to do my best to answer that. And at the very least, just share this with as many people as possible. That is my purpose in life, is to share my knowledge, my experience, and to help people grow into the best versions of themselves, and to reach a point where they feel happy and content inside, internally, intrinsically, and they don't have to rely on external factors or any person to feel or be happy. And that is my purpose. So by helping me out, you share this video with as many people as possible on any social media platform. That would do me a huge favor. Other than that, I hope you're always learning, always growing, and you are always pushing forward. I hope you're staying safe, you're prospering, you're being great, and you are finding lots of things to do while you are home alone. All right, that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.